Hey, what's up Steeler XLM holders? So today video is going to be very special and very urgent for all holders because this is the latest update of Steeler XLM. Today moving off on the upcoming days or they fail us down, and what's the price prediction. Let's start this brand video. I request you my brother to please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. This channel is update you every time. Kindly subscribe, press bell icon. Okay, come to the point. My friend, this time you can see here I already opened you and the last 1 hour. Let's check out the last 1 hour chart, my friends, to what's going on in the last 1 hour. You can see here in the last 1 hour they fails down very badly, fails down, and this is, my friends, you can see here very bad false change occur. Minus 0.54% they fails down, and just in 1 hour the latest price you can see here this time as 0.6 US dollar. But I hope, my friend, they hit it $1 US just in this month. What do you say? Can they hit it? Yes, absolutely, my friend. This is possible. What's your opinion? Please share me in the comment box. This is selling time, holding time, buying time, my friend. My opinion is that I think if the price this time you can see here, this is the starting now and the second week of this month. If they fail is down like this exactly, my friend, this is not a selling time. A lot of people starting selling, then exactly the price is going down. But I think if you sell it and those, then absolutely the price is going more and more fails down, and they cannot give you a good profit because the price is already very badly fails down. So kindly, my friends, hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. So if we check out, my friend, the last week, the last 7 days chart, then absolutely we understand, my friend, to upcoming days they're going up or they fails down. So this time you can see here I already opened the 7 days chart, and there here is a completely, my friend, you can see here highest point there. The first line is touched the highest point, and completely they're moving up like a rocket. So definitely, my friend, this time you can see here this time they touch the lowest point. But my friend, don't see this too. They why they cannot touch this point. But before, you can see here, if you can see here this time they touch a very large amount, my friend, point. So therefore I draw a line here. So kindly understand, my friend, after a jump they fails down, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here this circulation, every cryptocurrency is moving, and this circulation. So after these fails they also take a jump. So definitely you can see here after this jump they also fails down. So in those that if you remember the last 1 hour chart, then absolutely they're gone and negative. The change occurs in negative. So definitely this time also they're moving down and negative. So this time they fails down, but definitely after this fails they also take a jump. So the good time is coming soon, holder. Please wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit, and the good time is coming soon. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope they give you a good profit and they make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching, holders. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.